All right, I just saw this and I thought, how cute is it going to be to put like a little snowman down here at the bottom of this twig? And you can either have it kind of poking out of the Christmas tree or on top of a gift present, right? As a little ornament that's just for decorative on top of the gift. And you know, they're $3.99 but 50% off. That's $2 for a little bit of accents and using your scraps of paper, very minimal. So for about $2, I think you can create something really cute that looks like $15. So those are here at Hobby Lobby. They're over in the section, so if you can find them, they are just these little pieces here. Again, they're $3.99 originally. They already have the Let It Snow part of the assortment. And so I'm gonna create it and I'll share it with you when I'm finished.